Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hi children, welcome back to English grammar class. Class 4. Children, today we are going to see types of nouns. Types of nouns. Already you have learned 5 types of nouns in previous video. This is part 3 video. Today we are going to learn countable and uncountable nouns. What is countable noun? Things you can count. That is called countable nouns. You can see the meaning for the countable noun. Countable nouns are things that we can count. We can put an S on a countable noun. Example for countable nouns: a pear, 2 pears, an apple, 3 apples. Most nouns in English are countable. We can put a number before them. Examples: 2 tables, 1 fridge, 4 chairs, 2 lamps. In countable nouns, both they have singular and plural forms. You can see the example for countable nouns. In singular, 1 table. For plural, 4 tables. See the sentence. There are 4 chairs. 4 chairs is a countable noun. There are 2 lamps on the wall. 2 lamps is a countable nouns. Next we'll move on to the uncountable noun. What is uncountable noun? Things you cannot count. That is called uncountable noun. You can see the meaning. Uncountable nouns are things that we cannot count. We cannot put an yes on an uncountable noun. See the example. We should not write sugars, sugar. We should not write salts. It's a salt. Some nouns are uncountable. We cannot put a number before them. They have no plural form. See the example. We should not write 3 luggages, 5 papers, 2 furnitures. Example for uncountable noun. For water, you can write some water, a little water, much water. See the sentence for uncountable noun. There is a little water in the glass. A little water is a uncountable noun. There is some water in the jug. Some water is a uncountable noun. You can see here, do not use a or an before an uncountable noun. Use some before an uncountable noun. Some luggage, some paper, some furniture. See the sentence. Give me some cheese, please. Here, some cheese is a example for uncountable noun. There are ways to quantify an uncountable noun. We use measure words. Accountants to count the uncountable nouns. See the example. 1 glass of water. Glass is a measure word. Water is a uncountable noun. Next sentence. 2 pieces of furniture. Pieces is a measure word. Furniture is a uncountable noun. 1 box of cereal. Box is a measure word. Cereal is a uncountable noun. 2 bars of soap. Bars is a measure word. Soap is a uncountable noun. Countable nouns. The words piece, glass, box, bar are countable nouns. We use such words to measure or count the quantity of an uncountable noun. Such words are also called measure words or counters. You can see the difference for countable and uncountable. Countable can be singular or plural, but uncountable they are always singular. You can see the examples: an apple, some apples. Uncountable examples: coffee, milk, money, pasta. See the differentiate between countable and uncountable. Countable can be counted. Example: an apple, a school, one picture, two pictures, etc. Uncountable noun cannot be counted. Example: sugar, information, water, understanding, etc. Countable noun can take singular or plural verbs. Example: there is a book on the table. Those houses are very big, aren't they? Here uncountable always take singular verbs. There is some water in that pitcher. This is the differentiate between countable and uncountable nouns. You can see the more examples for countable and uncountable. First we'll see countable. Eggs, banana, olive, fries, burger, hot dog, apple, carrots, tomatoes, watermelon. Uncountables. See the example: milk, flour, salt, sugar, jam, meat, rice, honey, tea, cheese. These are the examples for countable and uncountable. Next, quantifiers. What is quantifier? Yes, children, quantifiers are words that express a quantity and modify nouns. Quantifiers work with countable nouns, uncountable nouns, or with both. Example for quantifiers: I have got a little money to see the fair. A little money is a quantifier. You can see the tabular column for quantifiers. With uncountable nouns, you can use much, a bit of, little, a great deal of, a large quantity of, a little, very little, a large amount of. For countable nouns, a majority of, a great number of, several, many, a large number of, a number of, few, a few, very few. Here both countable and uncountable nouns quantifiers: all, enough, none, no, some, more, most, lots of, less, least, any, not any, plenty of. So these are the quantifiers using in the countable and uncountable nouns. Children, I hope you have understand the countable and uncountable nouns with more examples. Next we'll move on to next noun, that is gender. What is gender? Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. We have four types of genders: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender are the four types of genders nouns in English. First we'll see masculine gender. Men, boys and male animals are of the masculine gender. We can see the example for masculine gender: brother, uncle, grandfather, father. Next gender is feminine gender. Women, girls and female animals are of the feminine gender. See the example for feminine gender: sister, aunt, grandmother, mother. Next you can see the example for masculine and feminine gender for animals: fox, vixen, drake, duck, gander, goose, ram, ewe, rooster, hen. You can see more examples for masculine and feminine genders. You can see the examples: father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, man, woman, shepherd, shepherdess, rooster, hen, dog, bitch, bull, cow, drone, bee, gander, goose, stag, hen, gentleman, lady, count, countess, husband, wife, lord, lady, king, queen, monk, nun, sir, madam, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, wizard, witch, hat, row, drake, duck, lion, lioness. These are the examples for masculine and feminine gender. Next, we'll move on to third gender. A noun that can refer to both male and female is of the common gender. See the meaning for common gender? Common gender refers to member of species that can be male or female. These can be either male or female like teacher, child, worker, friends, cousin, neighbor, etc. Example for common gender. That is a cute baby. Baby is a common gender. Nikki and Ricky are good singers. Singers is a example for common gender. Not all common nouns that refers to people or animals indicate their gender. You can see a few more examples for common gender in relative. Common gender, it is to refer to either a male or a female. Spouse, a husband or a wife. Cousin, a son or a daughter of your aunt or uncle. Teenager, a boy or a girl who is between 13 and 19 years old. Children, you can see the example for common gender. Child, both male child and female child, but we can say child. Here, ram, Eve. Both male and female, you can say ship. Student, spouse, friend. These are the examples for common gender. Next, we'll move on to the last gender, neuter gender. A noun that refers to a thing that is neither male nor female is of the neuter gender. All common nouns that refers to non-living things are of neuter gender. We use the pronoun it for neuter gender. Example for neuter gender, the pillow is soft. So pillow is the neuter gender. Neuter gender noun refers to a member of species which is neither a male nor a female. In animate things are neither male nor female, so they are a neuter gender. You can see the examples for neuter: tree, car, computer, high, body, sky. So these are the examples for neuter gender. Children, you can see the difference between the neuter and common gender. A noun that denotes a lifeless thing is called neuter gender. Example for neuter: pen, book, house, pencil, watch. Next, we'll move on to common gender. A noun that denotes for both male and female is called common gender. Example: baby, engineer, dancer, doctor, parents. Children, I hope you all have understand the 4 kinds of gender. What are they? Masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. What are the gender nouns? Nouns used for males is a masculine nouns. Nouns used for females is a feminine nouns. Nouns used for male and females is a common gender nouns. Nouns used for things but not people or animals is a neuter nouns. Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Children, I hope you all have understand the four types of genders with the more examples. Genders of nouns. Children, today's homework for you. You have to learn countable and uncountable nouns. Four types of genders. In this chapter, you have to do the exercise in your textbook. Thanks for watching the video, my dear children. Bye bye. Take care.